Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. Today, I'm super excited to share with you an incredible deal on the factory wholesale laptop PC 15.6 notebook computer cheap 512 SSD, ITB SSD notebook. This laptop is an absolute game changer, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. First off, let's talk about the storage capacity. With a massive 512GB SSD and 1TB SSD, you'll never have to worry about running out of space again. This means you can store all of your important files, photos, and videos without any hassle. The 15.6 display is absolutely stunning, providing you with crystal clear visuals for all of your work and entertainment needs. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or working on important projects, this laptop has got you covered. And the best part? This laptop comes at an unbeatable price. You won't find a better deal anywhere else. Plus, with its sleek and modern design, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. So why wait? Take advantage of this amazing offer and grab your factory wholesale laptop PC 15.6 notebook computer cheap 512 SSD, ITB SSD notebook today. Trust me, you won't regret it. I've left a link in the description below for you to check it out and make your purchase. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.